Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to recover your email password and your Google account. It is your just you forget password or you lost the access to that account. All what you need to do is just go Google and then press the or let's say type your email, then you will go for next. Then here guys, the forget password. If you don't have this passkey, if you don't set up it, or there is no setup for that in your account, just try another method. And here you will find the ways and the tools and the area how to get the code, and then after that get the code. Then you have the power to fully reset your thing. So here there is the two numbers which is you can receive the code, or you can try another way to key in if there is a new thing to do so. There is good notification code. If you have recovery email, you can get the code here, and here you can press yes on any device that it is connected to that one, and the verification code for this one. So it's not possible if you don't have any device that is connected, you can get that one. So there is a lot of tons of methods on your Google account to recover your account. So that's it guys, I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.